There are lots of my friends were there and they
Where
gave
there, and
were there and they gave me some lovely presents. I will tell you more about the party when you come to school on Monday.
beautiful, very good. See, it was hard, but now you are able to get through, right? Only one word. So I'm going to give you like 4 or 5 exercises we will do. The best thing is, it is better to write down the question and the answer. So this is a simple letter that we have written. Okay, I'm going to give you the next one. Just let me quickly set it up for you. Take your pen and paper.
Okay, okay.
Look at this. All right, here you go. Now I'm attaching. You guys have to take care of that properly. Don't worry, take your time, don't worry. But you have to read, you have to read, you have to write the answer, you have to speak it out. I am going to read for you first time. You can pick it up. Vinay, just listen. Dear Jacqueline, would you like to come dash the cinema dash me after school today? We can go to see Pocahontas at the ABC cinema. The film starts dash 6 o'clock. Shall dash meet outside the cinema. Love, dear Isabella, I am very sorry, but I can't go to the cinema dash evening. My mother has dash work and I dash going to cook dinner. Why don't you dash Karen to go? I hope dash like the film. You can tell me dash it tomorrow. Who wants to try? Vamsi, do you want to try that? Would you like to come dash the cinema?
Would you like to
Very
come to
good.
the cinema?
Superb. Can you repeat?
Would you like to come to the cinema?
Superb. 41-2. Super answer. 42. Try 42.
Add me after.
Would you like to come to the cinema? Would you like to come to the cinema? Dash me after school today.
Told me after.
Would you like to come to the cinema? Try that. 42 is a good proposition. Any idea, Vinay? Would you like to come to the cinema with me? With me. WITH, write it down. With me. After school today. Now, Vamsi, we can go to see Pocahontas at the ABC cinema. The film
The
starts.
film starts the 6 o'clock.
Can you repeat, Vinay? The film starts
The
At
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. The film starts at, write it down. The film starts at, you have to write it. If you don't write it, you are going to forget it. The film starts whenever the time is there, you have to put an at 6 o'clock. Shall
Shall we meet outside the
Shall we
cinema?
meet?
Yeah, Vinay again. Shall?
Shall we meet outside the cinema?
Super. Shall we meet outside the cinema? Note it down, shall we meet now? Would you like to come to the cinema with me after school today? We can go to see Pocahontas at the ABC Stadium. The film starts at 6 o'clock. Shall we meet outside the stadium? Outside the cinema? Love, Isabella. Now, Vamsi, dear Isabella, can you try this, Vamsi?
I am very sorry. I can't go to the cinema
Hmm.
at evening.
This evening, you put it, 45 is this.
Yes, my mother has to work.
Very good. Mother, and only one word. My mother has to work. Very nice. Super. 46 has to work. Very nice. And I dash going to cook dinner.
Can
Can you repeat?
have have,
Oh,
going.
no. After the
I
I
am I am
I am
going
going
to
to I am going to cook dinner. Very nice. Why don't you?
why don't you a current to go?
No, Karen. Karen is a person. Why don't you dash Karen to go? Why don't you ask Karen to go? Why don't you ask Karen to go? I hope 49. Try that, Vamsi. Try that, Vinay.
Yes, sir.
It's not really hard.
I hope you like the film.
Yes, I hope you like the film. You like the film. You can tell me dash it tomorrow. Easy, Vinay. You can do it.
Tell me the. You can tell me the.
You can tell me dash it tomorrow. Dash it.
It's,
You can tell me dash it. What is going to be dash?
You can tell me after it tomorrow
Oh, about it tomorrow. About it. Thank
about
you.
it.
Now I want both of you to write it down and say this. Vinay, can you read it? And you can write it down. Can you read it now with all the answers?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Would you like to come to the cinema
Keep going. Super.
with me after school today? We can go to see Panghonix at the ABC cinema. The film starts at 6 o'clock. Shall we meet outside the cinema?
Superb. Next one.
Dear Isbilla, I am very sorry, but I can't go to the cinema. This evening, my mother has to work and I am going to cook dinner.
Very
When
good.
don't you? Why don't you ask
Very good.
Karan to go? I hope you like the film. You can tell me about it tomorrow.
Yes, Vinay and Vamsi, I am going to request you to write it down this with the answer. Okay?
yes,
You
sir.
see what I'm saying, Vinay? You have pen and paper? Do you have pen and
Yes,
the notebook?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write it down. Write down with the answer. Quickly, I'll give you 1 minute, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, very quickly write it down with the answer, with the underlying answer, because you have to read it and you have to record it and send it across to me tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Once you are done, you have to tell me. There is a noise, you have to control it. Once you are done, you have to tell me.
Completed, sir.
Completed, very good. I'll go to the next one. All right.